going on, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sickum, and as you can see right here, we have Luna Decentraland. Just Luna, okay? Not Luna Decentraland, but just Luna. Today we are up around 1.25. We can see that we have this type of distribution going on. As you can see, like we have something wrong in here. I was talking about like liquidating that. As you can see, we quite literally just came down. Now this could easily even continue higher to tap into maybe this okay area that's just a supply because we have built this kind of liquidity here. Maybe we could have that or you can just fall. Okay. We already kind of liquidated that and we are also bearish. So also on this side, look at this trend line. Now a lot of people are going to be buying. Then what this is going to do, fall down. So this is going to be my opinion about that. Okay, again, I'm not financial advisor, and this is what I think is more likely to happen than not. So have a wonderful day. Peace out, goodbye, and I will keep you guys updated.